Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing fine. Today we'll be making grilled chicken thighs in sweet and sour sauce. Okay guys, so here I have my chicken thighs washed, cleaned and left them to dry. I have my mixed spices over there. I have my crushed ginger with garlic. I have my salt and I have my oil. So we're going to marinate the chicken thighs and then keep them for a while just for them to marinate properly, like an hour or two. Okay, so 1 hour, like 15 minutes later, we're going to be grilling the chicken for like half an hour. So 15 minutes we have to turn them, and you have to preheat the oven first before putting them so that the process can be much quicker. Okay guys, so our chicken is done. As you can see, it's all grilled up very well. They look so yummy. So we're going to be preparing the sauce. So there goes our chicken, and then I have my spring onions over there. I have my mixed spices. I have my tomato sauce, soy sauce, honey, and lemon juice. You can use vinegar if you don't have lemon juice. So in a pan, we're going to add a little bit of oil, followed by the tomato sauce, followed by the soy sauce. Just mix them all up. Then we're going to add in our mixed spices. You can use any spice that you really like. I use some ginger powder, garlic powder, coriander, and then we're going to add our salt, followed by our lemon juice. This will give it like the sweet and sour taste. Then we're going to be adding our honey. So this is like a quarter a glass, or like, it depends on the sauce, on the amount of sauce you're making. So I didn't put that much. You can add also sugar, brown sugar if you have, but I feel it's too sweet, so I use only honey. Then we're going to add our corn flour. This will help to thicken the sauce. So we are going to stir until it's fully dissolved. Okay guys, so our sauce is ready. We are going to add in the chicken, and then we're going to stir until the chicken is fully dissolved and well glazed. Then we're going to add sesame seeds. You can add more as you like. So we're going to let it simmer for like 2 minutes, and then it's ready to be served. So for the toppings, I added the spring onions just to add that good taste, and for the presentation as well. And here goes the last result. Thank you for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe down below for more recipes.